Hi, welcome to Lego Builds with Work. Today, we're learning how to build a car. Now, I'm going to pause it and then so I can break it apart. And when I'm done breaking it apart, I'll unpause it. Don't get bored, and I hope it doesn't record it. Now, okay, so I'm just gonna pause now. I unpaused, so let's get going. I can't get these pieces out of the Jeep, or whatever you call it. I'm just gonna call it a Jeep. Well, let's see. So we want a 2x4 tile right here, and then two 1x4s on the sides. Then take a take a 1x4 downward slope and put it at the back, and put this at the front, but leave one space open out here. Then, so we're gonna start with the back. Take a 2x6 plate and put it at the back, like that. Then take two 1x10s and put them here, and then take two 2x4s, 1x4s I mean, look at that side. Then take this slope piece, this piece right here. I just have in black, so I use it. Then take this piece in black. I mean this. Oh yes, and this in black. And put it on top. And put it right in there. Now, let's get started. For the back, we're going to put a 1x2 tile, 2x4 tile, and then take two 1x3 tiles, cover up the back, and then take a 1x6 tile and put it there. Just saying, these are 1x3 bricks, not tiles, and this is 2x4 brick, not tile. If I said tile, but this is not a brick. This is a plate, okay? Sorry about all the mix-ups. Very sorry. Oh, wait, I'm not done. Then take another 1x4 plate and put it in the front. Then take a 2x4 plate and put it at the back. So that's how, there you go. You have got your Jeep. So thanks for listening. And I know this is like the fourth or third video saying, but hopefully it's lesson, but please subscribe. I would care about it so much. It would please me so much. I would really, really like it. Thank you for watching.